Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated vehicles of 2025, the all-new Toyota HiAce. Whether you're looking for a versatile family van or a reliable business vehicle, this new model is designed to impress. In the next few minutes, we'll go over the key specs, features, and technologies that make the 2025 HiAce stand out. Let's get started. First up, the exterior design. The 2025 HiAce showcases a sleek and modern appearance with clean, aerodynamic lines that give it a refined yet tough look. The front grille is bold and wide, flanked by LED headlights, providing a modern touch while maintaining the HiAce rugged character. The high-tech LED daytime running lights add an extra flair to the front-end styling. The dimensions of the HiAce are generous. It stretches 5,380 millimeters in length, with a width of 1,880 millimeters, and stands at 2,285 millimeters tall, giving it a solid presence on the road. The vehicle's design allows for a blend of both style and practicality, with large windows and a sleek profile. Step inside the 2025 HiAce, and you'll immediately notice the high level of comfort and convenience. The cabin is designed to be spacious and luxurious, with premium leather seats and ample legroom, making long drives comfortable for both the driver and passengers. For tech lovers, the HiAce doesn't disappoint. It comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen display, featuring the latest Toyota infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you need navigation, music, or hands-free calls, it's all right at your fingertips. The cabin is also well equipped with dual-zone climate control, a premium sound system, and multiple USB ports throughout, making sure every passenger stays connected and comfortable. Under the hood, the 2025 HiAce is powered by a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering 170 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque. Whether you're hauling heavy cargo or cruising with passengers, this engine provides plenty of power for a smooth and responsive drive. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and features rear-wheel drive, which enhances handling, especially when the vehicle is loaded. The HiAce also boasts impressive fuel efficiency, with an average fuel consumption of around 10.5 liters per 100 kilometers, making it a great option for long-distance driving and business use. When it comes to safety, the 2025 HiAce comes loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. This includes a host of advanced features designed to keep you and your passengers safe. The pre-collision system helps detect potential collisions, while lane departure alert and adaptive cruise control make highway driving safer and more convenient. Other key safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking sensors with a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Additionally, the HiAce offers 7 airbags, a stability control system, and ABS to ensure a secure and reliable ride every time. Finally, let's talk about practicality. The 2025 HiAce is designed for versatility. With over 1,500 liters of cargo space when the second and third row seats are folded down, you can easily transport large loads. Whether you're using the HiAce for family trips or business, the rear seats are easy to adjust, giving you flexibility when it comes to passenger or cargo space. Dash, the low floor height and wide opening doors make loading and unloading a breeze. Plus, the HiAce ample storage options, including multiple glove boxes and cup holders, ensure that all your gear and essentials are always within easy reach. Dash, to sum it up, the 2025 Toyota HiAce is a perfect balance of comfort, performance, and practicality.